The TATOL portable steam sauna kit is crafted with thickened 600D canvas and an aluminum interior, ensuring excellent heat retention and easy cleaning. With 9 heating levels and a powerful 1,000-watt steam generator, this sauna can reach a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, offering a customizable spa experience at home. Installation is a breeze, taking less than 10 minutes to set up, and the one-piece zipper design makes it easy to assemble and disassemble. Safety features include automatic shutoff when water is depleted, a safety valve for steam hose blockage, and a convenient storage pouch for small items. Designed for relaxation and health benefits, this sauna helps relieve muscle pain, improve blood circulation, and promote better sleep, making it a great addition to any home. The transparent window and remote control add convenience, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows while managing the sauna settings effortlessly.